and loves pizza. Pizza Hut introduces our new Meat Lovers Pizza. It's loaded with 6 delicious meats and a blend of cheeses. If it sounds like your kind of pizza, come in and try it soon. Only at Pizza Hut, and only for a limited time.
And my fellow citizens, to a few of us here today, this is a solemn and most momentous occasion. And yet in the history of our nation, it is a commonplace occurrence. The orderly transfer of authority, as called for in the Constitution, routinely takes place as it has for almost 2 centuries, and few of us stop to think how unique we really are. In the eyes of many in the world, this every 4-year ceremony we accept as normal is nothing less than a miracle.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. A huge earthquake had erupted near the country of Australia and seeing a mass amount of speed to the United States. The United States is advising everyone to take a shelter immediately. The President of the United States will be giving another speech here soon.
This is an emergency message from the Canadian government. A huge, massive cloud has been bringing mass winds and tons of floods toward Canada. The police are advising for all citizens all over Canada to stay indoors until this time. If you are outside, get indoors immediately. It has stopped being reported as being strong enough to flip cars. Buses, even strong enough to bring down our entire hospital. Stay tuned for more on this situation.
This is a message of the UK government, and huge massive swarm of locusts have been heading towards the UK. Police are advising to seek shelter and hide all type of grain produce, and to get indoors immediately. The most effective places are being reported of London, Wales and England. May God show mercy on us all.
Not at all. Mr. Truitt,
Today,
and I want you to
President
know that
Reagan
also
is discussing the
I will
mass
not
cosmic
make age
natural
an issue.
disasters have been happening in the United States, Canada, and discussing the UK with its locust. The President is also recommending if the people of the United States want to evacuate to most commonly Mexico, which is the safest place right now from the natural disasters.
They stopped the play. It is 3rd down and about a foot away.
The finesse. That they're not a strong team in any particular offensive facet of their game, but since they've become such a good running team.
There's only one Kentucky Fried Chicken, always cooked fresh, with Colonel Sanders' original secret recipe of 11 different herbs and spices. Dinner's ready when you are.
Colonel Sanders, boys and girls, make a really finger-licking good chicken.
Tom Landry says now, we're no longer a finesse team. We're now a tough team. That's a big difference in their character.
This is a message from God. I will be the one to deliver the message. Nations of the world, God has put up with your sin too much. You've made Simon a joke, and you've laughed in his face. But it is not too late to fix your mistakes. Repent and put down your weapons of war, or we will go to war with you. You have until the Sabbath to repent. If you refuse to and not put down your weapons of war, you will go in the war in this war. You will not be victorious. When I say again in the name of God, you will not be victorious in this war. Put on your weapons of war, refusing to get possibly in your life. Repent before it is too late.
The following message is transmitted as a request of the FBI. We apologize for this hoax that may have been disturbing. You will continue to go on to regular programming at this time.
This is a broadcast from ABC and the President of the United States. Information of the unknown eclipse from space is striking the country has been received. The public is advised to stay calm. Major roads and transport networks are all closed to the public for military use. Phone networks are also being prioritized for the military and government officials. Those in Washington, D.C., New York, Chicago, Texas, Oregon, South Dakota, Missouri, and Massachusetts are advised to evacuate immediately. Police will guide you to the nearest shelter. You should bring your own resources, and they will not be provided for you. They should include a week's supply of food, water, battery-powered radio, and a change of clothes. Those who are not in the States would still seek a shelter in their homes. It is unknown of what this eclipse is or what it can do. It's been described spreading thousands of miles. It is also known of what type of health hazards could be caused by this, and possibly death. In order to protect yourself, listen to local authorities, or you should build your refuge in the lowest and most central part for your home. Best of our founding fathers and America, may God be with you all.
Undisclosed location due to this crisis. Lack of supplies of food, water, clothes, sleeping bag, and a battery-powered radio. Military copperheads are trying to apprehend or kill whatever is coming. If you ever come eye to eye with it, be quiet. It wants you.